Hello and welcome to Riddle Griddle. In this video, we are going to find out how to make the famous Walkers Shortbread cookies at home. The recipe I am going to show today is really easy to make in a very short amount of time. All we need for this is butter, sugar, and flour. Let's start by mixing all-purpose flour with butter and sugar in a bowl. Here, we're using 300 grams of flour, 200 grams of butter, and 100 grams of sugar. Mix well with hands. You don't have to use any kind of mixing tools for this. Add some salt to the mix to make it taste similar to Walker's cookies. If you enjoy what you see, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Let me know in the comments if you are a big fan of Walker's cookies like I am. We are aiming for a dry mix to turn it into a consistency which can be rolled into the required shape. If you'd like to see more simple and easy recipes, subscribe to the channel. After mixing it well and making it into a thick ball shape, roll it flat into a baking tray. You can use a small glass to make it easy to roll if you do not have a mini roller. Mark lines on the batter with a knife. This will serve as a template to cut the cookie once it's baked. I am using a fork to create the signature Walker's look. Preheat the oven to 140 degrees Celsius and bake for 45 minutes. The cookie will rise slightly after baking. Remove the cookie from the oven and cut it along the template that we created earlier. Cutting has to be done right after the cookie is out of the oven and is still soft. After cutting, keep it aside to cool down. Don't worry if the cookie is soft. Just let it cool down in room temperature for a couple more hours and it will become hard. Once cooled, we have our homemade Walker's Shortbread cookie ready to be served.